This next attack is called device spoofing, and what happens in this attack is that a trusted vendor comes in to do physical building maintenance with clearance to work throughout the weekend when the building is lightly populated, not unusual. But one of their workers is a budding hacker, and he recognizes that he's working near the finance department, and he decides to target it for confidential data exfiltration. So what he does is he plugs his laptop into a printer port, essentially spoofing the MAC address. Then he uses this connection to conduct a network scan, locating financial directories and files, and then he proceeds to exfiltrate that and sell it on the open market. Interesting fact about data exfiltration: the amount of data that can be taken in 60 seconds using a 1 gigabit per second connection can exceed 5 gigabytes. So it doesn't take a lot of time to get a lot of data out. So what are we going to do about that? Well, all networked devices, including those that don't have authentication clients, can be and should be inventoried and monitored for threat management all of the time. Juniper's Endpoint Profiler creates an initial baseline inventory of all IP-connected devices and includes contextual data such as address, location, and port behavior. This results in an LDAP database for MAC authentication. Then Juniper's NAC solution interacts with the Endpoint Profiler to monitor the state of all endpoints, including those that lack authentication. This allows the Security Operations Center to easily monitor for threat activities using Juniper Secure Analytics. For example, when a printer in the finance department exhibits atypical behavior, like the port has been changed, the profile record is changed, and the Juniper Pulse Access Control Service, which is the NAC, which continually polls for changes, will initiate port blocking or other remediation.